Devices for Dignity is a healthcare technology cooperative which is funded by the National Institute for Health Research, and our aim is to develop innovative technologies to improve the quality of life for patients living with long-term conditions, and particularly to focus on how we can assist with improving dignity and independence. Last year, Devices for Dignity worked with the Department of Health and launched a new £3.6 million competition to introduce and develop innovative solutions right across the whole spectrum of kidney care.
The Devices for Dignity innovation model allows for rapid translation of a research idea to clinical practice. As a clinician, I see this as a unique opportunity for patients to help us build value and sustainability in kidney care in the UK.
We established the area we should focus this competition by working closely with charities, clinicians, patients and industry. And having set the brief for these are the key problems, we advertised that to industry and said, get in touch and help us solve these problems. So we funded 14 exciting new project teams, and we've come to the end of this early phase, and we've got all the teams together today to celebrate the success of this phase.
My role in this programme is project manager. That means giving first-line support to the project teams, and I do that in two ways. One, I draw on my experience of 30 years as a renal patient, and secondly, using my business skills, particularly project management skills, to help the companies through the process.
Our experience of working with the management team from the D4D side has been great. Really impressed with the mix of skills and competencies they've brought. So, they knew about market need, they'd been out and spoken to patients, and they brought that sort of clinical and technical expertise, but then they brought in commercial and kind of hands-on frontline sort of clinical experience. So they could handhold, they could advise on some of the technical and clinical issues that we raised during the programme, and they were there to support us.
I think the benefit for us of the SBRIs is that they bring together people with real clinical interests with companies that can really develop change and do technological innovation. The support from Devices for Dignity has been excellent, both in terms of the patient representative and the management team. They've just been really, really helpful, a lot of support, and really kept us on track in terms of what their expectations were and understanding the process.
So it's been a fantastic experience for us. We are a small firm driven for patient improvement, and the experience of working with the D4D team has been fantastic. We've used all of the experiences of the whole panel. They've advised us, coached us and supported us, and it's been a highly recommended experience.
Traditionally, the health services have been set up to respond to and manage acute conditions. But increasingly now, we're needing to operate in a different way to manage chronic conditions. And that requires a fundamental shift in the way we do things. Patient-centred, collaborative, sustainable. And it's this really innovative, competitive approach which provides a genuine opportunity to really do things differently for patients right across the whole clinical spectrum.